Today's lecture point is practical number 3. So in that, first one is importing spreadsheets or CSV files. Then second one is using plugins. And part third, which is searching and downloading open street map data. Okay, so this is the third one. So here the how to open the spreadsheets or CSV files which contains a data that are open in GIS. So these are the today's lecture points which comes under practical number 3. So first of all, see importing spreadsheets or CSV files. Okay, so see how the spreadsheets are assigned. For that you need a sample file having .csv extension, that means Excel file. So that file is I'm already downloaded or stored here, which is practical number 3. See here, this file is here having sample.csv. Suppose you want to find out an extension, see it here, sample having extension .csv. So that file is needed for this practical. If you require this, then I will share it with you on your group or on this chat box. You just download it. So to execute this, and open QGIS. So in geographic information, the GIS data is stored in a table form or an Excel spreadsheet or an list of latitude and longitude coordinates. So therefore it has to be imported in a GIS project. Okay, so if that information is stored in this format like table, spreadsheets, or in the format of coordinates like latitude, longitude, then you can include it in a GIS. GIS मध्ये आपण ते include करून घेऊ शकतो. Okay, so this is the sample file for earthquake data will be used in practical. So for that, first of all, create a new project or take a new project. Okay, so the first step is go to the layer. See here, the option is here, layer. Then click on add layer. See the another third option, which is add layer. Then choose add delimited text layer. See where it is. This is here, add delimited text layer. So just click on this option. After that, data source manager window is appears here. Here delimited text option is selected. If it is not selected, then click on this option, delimited text, and the information related to this is appears in the another panel on this window. Okay, डेटा सोर्स मॅनेजरच्या अनदर विंडो मध्ये हे पॅनल मध्ये हे काय होईल, ओपन होईल डेटा. सो देर आर दी सम ऑफ दी ऑप्शन्स. सो हियर वी नीड दॅट सॅम्पल फाईल. सो यू जस्ट ब्राउज इट फॉर दी फाईल नेम. ओके, फाईल नेम आपल्याला इथे मेन्शन करायचं. सो आय जस्ट ब्राउज इट from the location where I stored it. So see this option in practicals, I'm just saving this option. So I'm use this sample file here and just open it. So path is appears here and the layer name is sample. Then there is a need to check the options are correct or not. If it is not selected, then select it. याच्यामध्ये जर ऑप्शन सिलेक्टेड नसतील तर ते ऑप्शन्स काय करायचे आहेत, आपल्याला सिलेक्ट करायचे आहेत. So see this option CSV option, that is comma separated value. If it is not checked, then check this, that is tab, colon and space. That values are already checked here. Then see custom delimiters is selected or not. हे custom delimiters select आहे की नाही हे चेक करायचं आहे याच्यामध्ये. It is already selected. Then if it is not, then select it. Then mention the geometry definition. Here we need to select this point coordinates and assign the value for the x coordinate as longitude. X coordinate किंवा x field ला longitude assign करायचं आहे and y field has latitude. So select this x field as longitude and y field as latitude and check that a geometry coordinate system, that is a coordinate requirement system is selected for EPSG 4326-WGS84. ओके, हे सिलेक्ट आहे की नाही हे इथे काय करायचं आहे, चेक करायचं आहे. सो दिस इज द सेटिंग फॉर इम्पोर्टिंग स्प्रेडशीट. म्हणजे स्प्रेडशीट जर इम्पोर्ट करून घ्यायची असेल QGIS मध्ये किंवा GIS मध्ये तर या स्टेप्स फॉलो करायचे आहेत. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन ऍड and close it. So which data is stored in that Excel sheet is shown on this GIS by using this graphical representation. Graphical representations मध्ये आपण या टाइप मध्ये काय करू शकतो, डेटा शो करू शकतो. ओके, this is a simple file. ओके, तर तुम्ही एखादा एरियाचा स्टडी करत असाल किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला एखादं लोकेशनचा तुम्ही स्टडी केलेला आहे आणि त्याचा डेटा तुम्ही एक्सेल शीट मध्ये स्टोअर करून ठेवलेला आहे, तर ती एक्सेल शीट तुम्ही GIS मध्ये इन्क्लूड करून घेऊ शकता. लाईक दिस, जस्ट आय शो ऑन दी स्क्रीन. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन विच इज इम्पोर्टिंग स्प्रेडशीट्स और CSV फाइल्स. Then the second one is using plugins. Using plugins means there are different plugins are available. So I'm just take the new project. Okay, and in QGIS there are core plugins are already part of the installation. That means that are already installed in this QGIS. And suppose you want to use another plugins that you are needed for your representation, then you can just enable them from this software. For this, open this QGIS, then click on plugins. So see this option is appear, which is already here, which is plugins. Then click on manage and install plugins. So there are different plugins are available. Which plugin you needed, just enable this. For that, click on this manage and install plugins. See this, this plugins window appears here. Then there are different options are available here. That is all. Then all the plugins are here. Then installed, it shows the installed plugins. या सिस्टीम मध्ये installed plugins कोणते आहेत तर ते इथे काय केले जातात, शो केले जातात. Then the another one is not installed. Not installed plugins are here. When you need any of the plugins, then you just click on that plugin and click on install plugin. See this here option is here, install plugin. Okay, त्याच्यामध्ये हे install plugin option आहे. जे प्लगइन तुम्हाला नीडेड आहे किंवा तुम्हाला गरजेचं आहे तर ते प्लगइन सिलेक्ट करायचं आणि इन्स्टॉल प्लगइन हा ऑप्शन क्लिक करायचा. इट इज डिरेक्टली इन्स्टॉल इन दिस सॉफ्टवेअर. सपोज फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय नीड दिस A map. Okay, so this is Azure map particular plugin. Then I just click it from this option. Okay, so these are the internal plugins. So there are another external plugins that are not in this file. So I need that file. Okay, आता जे नेक्स्ट प्रॅक्टिकल होतं तर त्याच्यासाठी मला ओपन लेयर हे प्लगइन काय करायचं होतं, इन्स्टॉल करायचं होतं. ते प्रॅक्टिस ते मी ऑलरेडी इन्स्टॉल केलेलं आहे तर ते इथे शो होत नव्हतं. तर त्याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला काय ऑप्शन आहे, तर तुम्हाला एखादं प्लगइन हवं असेल पण ते या लिस्टमध्ये नसेल, नॉट इन्स्टॉल्ड या लिस्टमध्ये अवेलेबल नसेल तर ते कुठून करायचे, तर जस्ट गो इन दिस सेटिंग्स ऑप्शन, देन click on this option that is show also experimental plugins. Okay, so what is mean by experimental plugins? That are generally unsuitable for production use. These plugins are in early stages of development and should be considered incomplete or proof of concept tools. Okay, so if you are require this, then click on this option show also experimental plugins. Okay, and go into the not installed app. It shows all the experimental plugins also, and you can install it by just clicking on this option, just like this install plugin. हा एक ऑप्शन आहे, इन्स्टॉल प्लगइनचं बटन आहे, त्याच्यावरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर ते जे काही प्लगइन आहे तर ते तुमच्या सिस्टीम मध्ये काय होतं, इन्स्टॉल होतं. आता हे प्लगइन इन्स्टॉल केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला हा जो ऑप्शन दिसतोय प्लगइन्स, तर इथे तुम्हाला हे ऑप्शन्स दिसतील. आता मी तुमचा जो सी पार्ट आहे या प्रॅक्टिकलचा, तर त्याच्यासाठी तो दोन प्लगइन्स नीडेड होते. त्याच्यामध्ये एक आहे तो ओपन राउटिंग मॅपर अँड अनदर वन इज OSM place search. So I install it. So that's why that are comes in this list. हे लिस्ट मध्ये इथे काय झालेले आहेत, आलेले आहेत. हे मला प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये यूज करायचे होते नेक्स्ट याच्यामध्ये, तर ते मी इन्स्टॉल केलेले आहेत. So this is your only the theoretical parts which comes under using plugins. That means how to use plugins or how to show the plugins, then if required the plugins, then how to install it and how to use it. That are comes under practical number B. And the third one is searching and downloading OpenStreetMap data. So OpenStreetMap created by Steve Coast in UK in 2004, and it is a collaborative project to create a free editable map of the world. Rather than the map itself, the data generated by the project is considered as its primary output, and the creation and growth of this OSM has been motivated by restrictions on use or availability of map information across much of the world, and the advent of these expensive portable satellite navigation devices. So we use it in our practical number C, that is 3C, searching and downloading OpenStreetMap data. So for that, we require two plugins. In that, first one is OpenLayer and second one is OSM search, that is OpenStreetMap search. So If that plugins are not installed, then we need to install it from this plugins option. So just click on this manage and install plugins. So see this, it is already installed or not. See this here, open layer plugins. Okay, so open layer plugins is already installed here. It is comes under this installed. Okay, installed या plugins मध्ये आहे, not installed मध्ये नाही आहे. Installed मध्ये already आहे. Open routing mapper, open layers and open street map search. That two plugins are already installed. Okay, जर नसेल तर स्टेप काय सांगितलं तर नॉट इन्स्टॉल मध्ये जायचं, सर्चिंग करायचं, त्याच्यामध्ये पर्टिक्युलर प्लगइन सिलेक्ट करायचं आणि इन्स्टॉल प्लगइन या स्टेपने ते इन्स्टॉल करायचं आहे. सो दॅट्स आर ऑलरेडी इन्स्टॉल बाय मी before 2 days, so that there is no need to again install it. I'm just close this. Then go to the view option, then see this option which is a panel, and select the option open street map place search. Okay, so the next step is this. After installing the plugins, go to the option where go to the menu view, then the option is panel, and the another option is OSM place search. So you need to just select this. Okay, so these options are here. After selecting it go to the option another menu web. Okay, so here the another menu is appears menu, and if you install that plugins, then it creates this new option under that menu which is open layer plugins. Okay, जर याच्यामध्ये इन्स्टॉल असेल तरच हा ऑप्शन इथे काय होणार आहे, अपीयर होणार आहे किंवा इथे इन्क्लूड होणार आहे. So see this option open layer plugin, and in that the another option is here open street map, and under that the another option is here open street map. Just click on this option. See again under web menu open layer plugins, and again in that 2 times open street map option is need to select. Click on that option. See this world map will appear on the screen. World map ha screen वरती appear झालेला आहे. Okay, so if that map is not open on this on the screen, then go to the project properties and just wait. See this, the project properties here, and see this coordinate reference system. If it is not open, then select it properly. Okay, and this is the world map, and in suppose you want to find out any of the place from this world map, then just go to this OSM place search. Okay, OSM place search आहे इथे. Okay, I'm just use it here, and just click on this option, this arrow. Okay, so it lists all these places that is related to Ratnagiri. I'm just placing it here, Ratnagiri. So it shows all these places which is named as Ratnagiri. So just see this here. It shows this area first of all. See it here. It blinks that area. Then second one, see it here. When I move that cursor on that place, then it blinks that area. ओके, म्हणजे या ओपन स्ट्रीट मॅप वरून आपण कोणताही एरिया काय करू शकतो, फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. I'm just typing. See this? I'm just type Kate Ratnagiri, then it shows that area here. Like this, we can find any of the OpenStreetMap place from this map. So this is the practical number 3. Okay, practical number 3 under it. Here practical number 3 is over. This is simple practicals. So for that you just need some of the files. Then you can execute that programs. Okay, mention your roll number in chat box.